Hey everyone, this is Fahad Abdulaziz from Fadij Pro and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to create a Google Ads account without payment method for practice purpose. So let's get started. At first, we will write Google Ads account. Now click on the first link and then start now. Then click create your first campaign. Enter your business name. For example, I will write dog food, and here I need to give a website URL, so I will just pick a random URL. Then click next, click next again. We'll skip this, also skip this, also skip, and we'll click the leave campaign creation. Then we'll choose the country India, and then we'll change the currency to INR, Indian rupee, and then click the continue button. Then click no and add the payment method. We'll select the individual, legal name, for example I'm writing my name here. Then we'll choose a random Indian address. So the street address I'll just copy one by one. City, then click the create, and then in the payment method we'll choose the pay with bank transfer. Then click the I agree, and let's check again, and then click the submit and click the complete, and our account is created. Then click the continue button. Here you will see, is your organization an advertising agency? No. Who pays for your ads? Yes, we pay Google Ads directly. We will choose the first option. Then click save and continue. Now our Google Ads account is created and we can use this account for our practice purpose.